What's the meaning of agitate? Agitate. 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 The term agitate refers to the act of stirring up, shaking or disturbing something or someone. When a person is agitated, they are often emotionally upset or disturbed. The result of agitation can be both positive and negative. On one hand, it can raise awareness, prompt action and lead to positive change. On the other hand, excessive agitation can cause chaos, conflict and unrest. It's important to approach agitation with care and consideration, being mindful of its potential impact on individuals and communities.